Hi everyone, so this is the video for page 72 in your Explorers workbook, okay? This is a very quick page. This is about what happens in summer because since we have come into the month of May, we are in the season of summer, okay? So it says here that the months of summer are May, June and July, and very often people forget that August actually isn't in the season of summer. We always think that August is in the season of summer because we're off on our summer holidays from school during the month of August. But August actually technically is in the season of autumn. Okay, now obviously it doesn't feel like that because, as I said, we're off and the weather is normally beautiful during August. But that's just something to note, that the months of summer are May, June and July. And as I'm recording this video now here, boys and girls, I'm looking outside and I can see really strong wind and dull skies, so it doesn't really feel like summer today. But hopefully our weather will improve and we'll be able to have lots and lots of time outside enjoying the beautiful weather. Okay, so as I said, boys and girls, this page is really easy. It's very quick. So I have included a summer worksheet in the extra work column in your Padlet if you'd like to do something extra today. If not, that's totally fine. This is plenty. Okay, so it's there if you want it. If you want to let it at this for today, that's totally okay too. Okay, so the first section is really easy. You have to take the pictures that show the signs of summer. So which pictures show us that summer is here? Okay, so we have a bee, a lamb, ants, chick, green leaves, snow, horse chestnut and hay bale. So which of these pictures tells us that summer is here, that summer has arrived? Okay, now obviously some of them are going to be from different seasons, so they weren't going to be summer. Okay, so say for example the lambs are born in spring. Okay, so we're not going to be including that, and we know what season snow comes in. So just tick the ones that show us the signs of summer, that summer has arrived, and X the ones then that have nothing to do with the summer. Okay, the next thing then, we have to follow the instructions to draw a butterfly. So we see lots and lots of butterflies around in the summertime, and they're flying around and they're going from all the flowers, because like this fact says down here that bees are not the only mini bees to sip nectar. Butterflies do too. So that's why the butterflies are always flying around the flowers, because they're sipping the nectar from the flowers. Okay, and there's loads of different types of butterflies, and they're really beautiful to watch just flying around, and we mainly see them in the summertime. Okay, so that's why we're talking about them on this page. So it gives you a little instruction, a couple of different instructions here on how to draw a butterfly here, and these are the details that you have to include. Okay, and you can colour the butterfly in whatever colour you want to. Down here then, activity C, we have some words here that we have to fill into the blanks here. So plants, sheer, bale, warmest, brightest, bees and fly. And remember, we learned about shearing back here on the page about the farmer and the sheep, and he was shearing the sheep, so he was giving the sheep a haircut in the warmer weather. Okay, so summer is the something season. Okay, so we have to choose a word from here. It is also the something season. So these two words are going to be words to do with the weather, the temperature, something like that. Okay, something grows in the sunshine. So what word here tells us what grows in the sunshine? Fledgling birds learn to something. Now fledgling birds are young birds who are still in the nest and they haven't started to learn how to fly yet. So they're the little birds that are in the nest, and they're the birds that the mummy bird brings the food to them. Okay, something buzz from flower to flower collecting nectar. Okay, so what is buzzing around collecting all the nectar? And farmer something sheep. Okay, I gave away that answer a minute ago. And they something hay. They do something with the hay. Okay, so like the hay are these bales here. So in the summer what they do, and because we're from the country, we're well used to seeing it, they cut the grass, they let it dry. So they cut it and they let it in the field to dry, and then the sun will dry it out and it goes this kind of yellowy orangey colour, and then the machinery comes along and makes bales out of it. Okay, and then the animals will eat that then in the winter, because obviously in the winter the grass doesn't grow as much and the animals don't have as much to eat because it's colder. So these are what the animals eat in the winter time. Okay, All right, so as I said, a very, very quick page, boys and girls. And if you want to do another activity to do with summer, there is an extra worksheet over in the extra work column on the Padlet. Okay, all right. And like I said, if this is all you want to do today, that's perfectly okay as well. Okay.